Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn on automatically play GIFs when possible on the Discord app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the Discord app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Now, tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Next, tap on the settings option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Now, scroll down the menu, find the accessibility option, and tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down the menu again and locate the automatically play GIFs when possible option. This is turned off. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap on the automatically play GIFs when possible option to turn it on. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.